Tucked away in the verdant hills of Catarman, Camiguin, Santo Niño Cold Spring offers a refreshing retreat into nature's embrace. Fed by the pristine waters of Mount Mambahaw, this expansive spring pool measuring approximately 25 by 40 meters with depths ranging from 4 to 8 feet invites visitors to immerse themselves in its crystal clear, invigorating waters. Surrounded by lush greenery, the spring maintains a cool temperature around 20 degrees Celsius, providing a soothing escape from the tropical heat. Families can enjoy the dedicated kiddie pool, while ample shaded huts and picnic areas offer spots to relax and savor local delicacies like kipping, a crunchy cassava treat drizzled with sweet syrup. Easily accessible via a scenic 45-minute drive from Mambahaw, Santo Niño Cold Spring is open daily except Mondays and Thursdays when it opens at 11 in the morning with an entrance fee. Whether you're seeking a tranquil swim, a family outing, or a moment of rejuvenation amidst nature, this serene oasis promises a memorable experience.